This is the ultimate family affordable road trip machine. Hey guys, Alex to Stop on Yellow RVing. Today I've got the 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE31FF. So this is a lot like their other RedHawk 31FF. It's got the 2 bunk beds on it. You got the overcap bunk right up there too. This one's just a little bit more simplified to help make it a little bit more affordable. Starting up in the cab area here, it's going to be on an E450 Ford chassis. So you got your steering wheel, you've still got the cruise control right on there. Then you've got a little bit more simplified radio. And then this one does have the backup camera on it as well. So you got seat belts up here as well. So seat belts for both passengers. Overcap bunk rated for up to 750 pounds on the Jayco. Swing out smart TV sitting right here too. You've got a dinette, legless dinette, so that's going to drop down. That's going to make another bed for you. And there is 4 seat belts around here, so 2 over here, 2 over here. That way all the kids can be buckled up going down the road. And then you do have 2 more seat belts over in your jackknife sofa right here. And then this does make into another bed. So that drops down like so. Up top you do have some storage cabinets. Storage here and here. 12-volt Furrion refrigerator right on here. Pop this open, so decent size. Everybody's pretty familiar with the 12-volt refrigerators, runs right off the battery power. Close that up. You do have a large freezer up top too. It's a good size freezer right in here. A little temperature control right in here too. You got ducted AC on here. So all ducted throughout. All recessed lighting right in here too. Lots of lighting in here, nice and bright. Checking out your kitchen space. 1-piece round undermounted sink right here. 2-burner cooktop. And then looking down below, you've got your convection microwave as well. So no actual oven, convection microwave on here. Drawer below. And drawer right over here. They still do make the standard RedHawk 31F if you did want to get one with a little bit more bells and whistles to it. More storage right up top. Hood with the light and the fan right on there. And then more storage right over here. Lighting right under the countertop too. Over next to your fridge, you do have pantry space, so large 3-shelf pantry. Little storage right below. Your cold air return below, carbon monoxide detector. And this is your AC control and some of your light controls here. Coming down to the bunk area, you got lights and windows in both of the bunks. And then both of those windows do open. Storage drawers down below for all the kids' stuff. And then you do have outlets on both of these bunks. Coming towards your master here, queen size bed, end tables right on the end of both sides too. You're also gonna have outlets on both sides. Storage drawers right on this one. And lots of storage space right up top. It's a good spot if you do have the CPAP machine. Also windows right in here, so that window opens. Got these pull down pleated blackout shades. And we'll check out your wardrobe space as well. If you guys have made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. Checking out your wardrobe space there. So you got hanging shelves, more drawers right below. That's where we store the microwave plate for some reason. And then more storage drawers right there. Over this way, you've got storage back here. You can mount the TV right up here too if you'd like. And then huge drawers, lots of drawers, going all the way down. Plenty of space for all the clothing. Emergency exit window off the back. Check out the bathroom too. So you've got a foot flush toilet, undermounted sink, storage under the sink as well. Then you do have your medicine cabinet right up here. Still even on an affordable price point unit, you've got the glass shower doors on it. So you got this curved shower with the tiles or the plastics around in there. Over this way, you got hooks for towels, little storage shelves right up here. And then up top you do have a vent fan in here. Then you also do have a vent right over in your bedroom as well. And then second entryway, coming out of the bathroom, back in your living space there. And then this whole side of the camper, or RV I should say, is a slide out. And then you can still get into that bathroom and back bedroom when your slide out's closed. Let's go take a look at the outside of this thing. So coming on the outside of it, total length on this guy, you're looking at, that says 23 feet and 7 inches, but this is really 32 feet 7 inches. Just a little printing error right there. Cargo carrying capacity of 1,983 pounds. With the Jayco, you get the one-piece fiberglass front cap on it there, less place for leaks, no seams right up there. Your E450 front end there, pretty standard. You got your door right here. Another cool thing about this door, you got this little electric step that comes out, so that makes it easy to get in and out of the coach. One thing I didn't show you yet, this one does have the leveling options. That's going to be your levelers right there. Your awning control, exterior lights, which are dimmable, so you can dim those with that little switch right there. Power step if you don't want this little step down here coming in and out on you all the time. Then you've got your 12-volt power switch right there. As well as this one does have the 200-watt solar panel option up on the roof. There's your little charge controller. Getting a nice view of it here. Tinted windows on it. Large power awning, LED light strip under it. This way you've got your propane tank. Then lots of storage on this guy. These are all storage bays right over here. And then there's going to be a large storage right off the back here. And then your bed does lift up inside and gives you access to this storage. A lot of people like to use it as like a laundry chute. Just drop your dirty clothes right in there and they're already in your outside storage bin. Checking out the back. So you've got backup camera. You've got tinted window right on the back of it as well. And then see this one massive slide on it. Not a very deep slide, but it's all the way down the side of the coach. And then you got some more storage right out here too. So this first one's gonna be your wet bay. So you've got outside shower down here, your city water connection, and then your valves right there, whether you're filling the tanks, city water, and then another water pump switch right over there. Close that up. Coming down over this way, you do have your sewer release right up over here. Then you've got your releases for your gray and black tank. Gasoline fill. It's going to be another storage for you right here. So storage right there. Got your power cord right there, another storage, and your generator up that way. Keep moving towards the front of it. Pretty much a good basic overview of your Jayco Redhawk 31F. Kind of a spin on a classic floor plan Jayco's been doing for a little while. Show one more pan back through the interior of it. So yeah, nice coach. Definitely good for the family road trips, family fun. Once again, it's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Thanks for watching the video today. Click on another one, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks again.